too much pressure on your quarterback too.
Boyd, the ball carrier.
We're winning tonight, no problem. Been here since Derek Locke beat South Carolina. We're ready.
There we go, Derek! There we go! Yes, sir. Woo! We need the run game big time tonight.
11-yard gain.
When you got a rookie quarterback, we got to have the run game tonight. I think Jordan Dingle's going to get a big catch on this series right here. Come on. What I say? Jordan Dingle! Jordan Dingle! What I tell you? You called that. He called that. Let's go! You said 2 plays before. I think Dingo's gonna make a big play right here. Absolutely! I wish that Kyra was a little better prepared, but I still feel confident. How long have we been sitting here? How long have we been standing here? Oh, in the concession line? Yeah. Probably 20 minutes. 20 minutes? How much of the second quarter did you miss?
Sit down.
Get out. Mother damn it.
Darren brought down behind the line of scrimmage.
They start behind the sticks, man.
Go. Hold on. Atta boy. We got a punt again.
Now we got
again.
What's your opinion on the defense right now? Our defense, we have a top defense in the nation. Top defense in the nation. Hey, get him, stop.
He stepped out at like the 25.
Your shoes are tied! No!
Damn it!
Yeah, he couldn't take a sack. Huh?
That was good awareness.
Yeah, because he couldn't take a sack right there.
12 minutes and 40. Why are we leaving? Everybody's leaving. Put Deuce Hogan in.
Guys, we should have played Deuce Hogan.
Put Deuce Hogan in. Deuce Hogan, baby.
Deuce Hogan.
Put Deuce Hogan in.
We're terrible.
It doesn't matter if we're down by 30. It's still Cats by 90.
Fourth quarter comeback like Arkansas back in 08 or?
I hope we do, but
You'll hear Tom Leach call it.
we'll listen to it on the radio.
Yeah. What's the worst case scenario now for the season?
It's over. It's done.
No hope for like a big bowl now or?
Nobody cares about a bowl game.
How much time is left in the game, by the way?
It's the start of the fourth.
Down 10 South Carolina, we're ranked 14. It's still Cats by 90. We got 10 minutes. It's not over yet.
Yeah, it's game's over.
8:26 left to play. No hope that there's going to be a comeback here?
No. If there is, I won't be here for it.
A lot of people heading out. A lot of people heading to the exits.
Yeah, for sure.
There were a lot of people heading out start of the fourth quarter.
Yeah, rough to see. Big fans.
Thoughts on the game?
It was terrible.
What does this do for season expectations, obviously? Shane?
I don't know, man. We might not even make a bowl game.
I'm not ready.
This is tough.
We're just ready for Will to come back.
Make some noise, cause it's burned down!
Four and two. I mean, come on now. Like, let's get real.